How to fix. Try again later. We restrict certain activity to protect our community guidelines on Instagram. If you're seeing this error on Instagram, here's how you can fix it. 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. 2. Go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. 3. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. 4. Scroll down and select Log Out. Confirm the logout when prompted. 5. After logging out, re-enter your login credentials and sign back into your account. This should resolve the issue. If it doesn't, try the following. 1. Open the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. 2. Search for Instagram and check if an update is available. 3. If you see the update button, tap it to install the latest version of the app. 4. Once updated, reopen Instagram and check if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, you can report the issue to Instagram through the app's Help Center. That's it. Hopefully, one of these steps helps you get back to using Instagram without any restrictions. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.